Hi, hello, welcome. This is Monisha Thiruvarangan. In this video, we are going to learn about Forex. What is Forex? Forex is also known as Foreign Exchange Market or FX. It is the largest financial market in this world. Forex market is same as stock market and bond market, but it is the conversion of one currency into another. When compared to other market, Forex market gives more turnover. It gives average volume of 5.1 trillion per day. Forex is global decentralized or over-the-counter market for the trading of currencies. This market determines foreign exchange rate for every currencies. This market includes all aspects of buying, selling and exchanging currencies at current or determined prices. Forex market means they need to open an account through brokers. To trade in Forex market, people need to know 8 major currencies. If you need to buy one currency means you have to sell one currency. Brokerage is very less in Forex market. So the next one is why trade in Forex market. There are many reasons to trade in Forex market. If we ask for different people, you might get more than 4 different answers. So the first one is Forex market never sleep. This Forex market works 24 into 5 days in a week. Because government, corporates and private individuals who requires currency exchange services are spread around the world. So trader on Forex market never stop. So right from the Monday morning opening in Australia to the afternoon close in New York, at any point of the day you can find an active pair to trade. So the next one is long or short. The trader in Forex market can trade both ways. It means Forex trader can play the market and make profits irrespective of whether market is going up, down or is in tight range. So irrespective of the event that has triggered the movement, Forex trader do not care. So the next one is high liquidity. High liquidity means traders can trade any types of currencies. Timing is not constrained, as well as traders can be done as per your convenience. The buyer and sellers across the world accept different types of currencies. The Forex market active in 24 hours in a day and closed only on the weekend. So the last one is accessibility. Getting started as a currency trader would not cost a ton of money, especially when compared to traders, stocks, future market or options. We have online Forex brokers offering mini or micro trading accounts that let you open a trading account with a minimum account deposit of $25. This allows an average individuals with very less trading capital to open a Forex trading account. So the next one is who trade in Forex. The Forex market is enormous in size and is the largest market. Millions of participants, hundreds of thousands of individuals, money exchangers to bank, to hedge, fund managers, everybody can participate in this Forex market. And then when you can trade in Forex. It is 24 into 5 market. So you can trade 24 hours a day and 5 days in a week. Now the major participants of this kind of markets are banks, MNC, brokers and monetary authorities. And then most traded currencies in Forex are Euro, Japanese yen, Great British pound, Canadian dollar, Swiss francs. The most commonly used currency pairs. First, Euro US dollar. Second, Great British pound US dollar. Third, US dollar Japanese yen. Fourth, US dollar Swiss francs. Fifth, Euro Japanese yen, 6th US dollar Canadian dollar, 7th Australian dollar US dollar. So this is all about commonly used currency pairs. So the next one is, what is bullish and bearish? What is bullish? If you think the currency will rise, you buy one currency and you open a long position. That is called bullish. And what is bearish? If you think a currency will fall, you sell one currency and you open a short position. That is called bearish. This is bullish and bearish candlestick. What are the charts used in Forex? Line chart, bar chart and candlestick chart. This is the line chart, bar chart and candlestick chart. So the next one is, what is lot size? A lot is a unit to measure the amount of the deal. Your value of your trade always corresponds to an integer number of lots. The standard size of a lot is 1 lakh of base currency in Forex trade. Now we have mini, macro and nano lot sizes that are 10,000 and 100 units respectively. So the next one is 3 types of market analysis in Forex market. So the first one is fundamental analysis. This is the analysis of social, economic and political factors that affect currency supply and demand. The second one is technical analysis. This is the study of price and volume movement. The third one is sentimental analysis. Apart from mini and macro analysis of data, this is the analysis of mindsets and sentiments of traders and investors. So these 3 types of analysis is better using in Forex market. There are many strategies using in Forex. Now we can see 5 strategies. First one is selecting the market. Second one is position sizing. Third one is entry point. Fourth one is exit point. And the last one is trading tactics. Now we can see one by one. So the first one is selecting the market. Traders must determine what currency pairs they trade and become expert at reading those currencies. Second one is position sizing. Traders must determine how long each position is controlled for the amount of risk taken in each individual trader. So the third one is entry point. The traders must develop the rules for when to enter a long or short positions in a given currency pairs. And the fourth one is exit point. The traders must develop the rules for telling them when to exit a long or short positions as well as when to get out of losing positions. And the last one is trading tactics. Traders should have set rules for how to buy and selling currency pairs, including selecting the right execution technologies. The next one is advantage and disadvantage. First we see advantage. Anyone can trade Forex with a small investment. Huge liquidity with many market participants. And this is the largest market. There are many trading pairs, trading styles and analytical tools to choose from. Disadvantages of Forex. When a brokerage is involved in often leads to lack of transparency and less outcome of the investment. This market never sleeps, and the same goes to investors also. The investors, when they invest money, they have to be updated with the market trend, which gets updated every minute. So this is the reason why so many people choosing Forex market. Thank you.